Is your 2021-2023 Hyundai Santa Fe key fob's range diminished? Does it only work when you're right next to the car? It's likely the battery needs replacing. This video will guide you through a quick and easy DIY battery replacement, saving you time and money. Expect to do this every 1 to 2 years or sooner if you notice reduced range. Your Hyundai Santa Fe key fob requires a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This is a common and inexpensive battery, costing around $2 to $5. You can find it at most drugstores, supermarkets, and online retailers. Using the correct battery ensures proper function and prevents damage to your key fob. You'll only need two simple tools: a small flathead screwdriver or a coin to gently pry open the key fob casing, and of course, a new CR2032 battery. No specialized tools or technical skills are required, making this a straightforward task for anyone. First, locate the small notch or seam on the back of your key fob. Insert the flathead screwdriver or coin into the notch and gently twist to pry the fob open. Be careful not to apply too much force, as you could damage the internal circuitry. The fob should snap open relatively easily. Once the fob is open, carefully remove the old battery. Pay close attention to the battery's orientation. The positive plus side usually faces up. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation, ensuring it sits snugly in place. Incorrect polarity can prevent the fob from working. With the new battery in place, carefully snap the key fob casing back together. Ensure that the two halves are securely closed. Now, test the key fob's functions, such as locking and unlocking the car remotely. The range should be significantly improved. If the key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, double-check the battery orientation to ensure it's inserted correctly. Also, ensure that the battery contacts are clean and free of debris, which can prevent proper connection. In rare cases, the key fob may require reprogramming by a Hyundai dealership if it fails after battery replacement. While battery replacement is currently a necessary task, automotive technology is evolving. Trends point towards rechargeable key fobs and smartphone-based digital keys, reducing the reliance on disposable batteries. Some newer Hyundai models even offer remote battery alerts via the BlueLink app. For now, this DIY replacement keeps your Santa Fe key fob working efficiently.